I got one.
That was a fish that I had.
It's a, I'm on. Oh God. Steelhead. I know. Oh God.
When the sun is up and glimacing.
Oh jeez, I know.
What did you do?
I was just, I'm scared, Kyle.
I quite like fishing trout.
Look at this thing. Oh my gosh.
Dude. That's definitely the one I missed.
That's definitely wrapped up like hell. I mean, a little bit. Got one big, nice mama steelhead. She going back. Ugh. Whew. Is that big?
Good one.
What's happening here, Kyle? Talk to me.
I'm working to get 10 fish today. And it's a brown.
Is it really?
Yeah. I'm pretty sure it's a brown.
I think it is too.
I just want to catch at least one steelhead.
Mama!
She's nice.
She's nice. You gotta bring her over here, bro.
I'll bring her.
We are hooked up.
Bring a net.
Why would we? Yeah, why would we? It's cool. We'll just do one of those then. Heck yeah, dude. No net. Scooped it up.
That's the reason
Gonna
why
get
we're
some sick
catching them.
B-roll on it. That's dope. Heck yeah, dude. Let me get a picture.
Go.
Yep.
Oh. Got him.
Let's see your setup. Let's bring him through the setup, Kyle, since you got it out right here.
Pretty simple.
What do you use?
3 ASB, sliding sinker,
Barrel swivel.
10-pound test fluoro, size 8 or size 10 single hook. It's just easy, you know. I don't get hung up. Some of these fish, we're fishing like 4-foot holes, so it's just nice. Your spawn sack is sitting right where it needs to be the whole time. And
Like Kyle said, I really don't get too fancy with my bobber in certain situations where some people, you see them out here with like 32 split shots on, and
yeah, you don't need it in this system. People think you do, but you don't. It's the most simple setup. So when I go and retie, like even if my leader's bad to my braid, all I gotta do is cut this off. You know, I don't gotta worry about, you know, the split shot sticking my line up above. You know, it's just a simple, almost a 2-foot leader, I'd say, and that's it.
I'll leave your Instagram in the corner right here.
All right, good.
Yeah, I guess. There's one. You got a net? You might want to get here. Dude, it's big. Hurry, Kyle. Oh.
Yep, you're good.
Gonna let that one go. Oh. Kyle's on. What you got, bro? Bigs?
Big one.
Kyle's hooked up.
That's the one I missed.
That is a nice one. Oh shit.
Dark. Don't you just love fishing?
I love fishing. Mama! Mama!
Just a big big
Mama.
She's-
Yeah. Kyle just landed that big mama.
Hey, this is a big one. That's a good one.
That's a good one right there, bro.
Oh yeah. I bet you
Yeah.
she's 14, 15 almost.
Still got some eggs in her too. Like that.
Oh yeah.
Crushed.
She's all beat up.
Crushed.
She's hard to hold.
Bet. She's good to go. Kyle! Big steel, dude. Hurry up, buddy. Yes. Oh my God, it's a tank. It's a nice one, dude. Yeah. Oh, Kyle's got it. Thank you.
All right, you're good. We're 40.
Whew. Kyle, I was scared on that one. Big old tank steelhead. Gonna go back right here. What an epic fish, dude. Just giant chrome. I was scared when I hooked him, buddy. Oh, look at the colors on him. Awesome fish. Ooh, that was sick. Talk to me, Kyle. Talk to me. Nice big brown, too, dude.
I get this one, I'm going home.
Number 10 for the day. You're good?
He's big. This might be
This is a big one. Yeah, dude. This is a big fish. Big brown. Heck yeah, Kyle. Dude, big head shakes. Big head shakes. That's a nice fish. Heck yeah. It's always the day before it's gonna freeze, Kyle.
Yep. Taking tomorrow off, boys.
Dude, that's a good fish, man. Come in here, mama. That's a heavy fish, dude.
That's it. I don't
Look
know
at-
how many more big crabs I can catch.
Look at this, folks. If I can, she's not happy. Oh yeah, Kyle. Nice, dude.
You think she's the biggest?
Yeah. Bye-bye, mama. There's a fish. Jeez. What do I got? Oh, freaking steelhead, dude. Going crazy. Big. Big steel. There she is. Nice big steel. Nice steel right there. Landed that nice mama. She's gonna go back. Sick fish. Bye bye, mama. Whew. Heck yeah. Candies in there. When fishing's good, I get hungry. When I get hungry, I usually get Culver's, but today I got Wendy's. Gotta scoop some Wendy's, and we're going back to the river. Oh shit.
Put on up in here, son.
Hell yeah.
I was like, that's bottom for sure. I didn't even touch it.
Hell yeah.
on. First drift.
First drift.
I love.
It was way down there too.
I'm gonna go with Steelhead all day.
Yeah, me too.
Look that way. Might as
Heck
well
yeah.
leave now. First drift.
Oh yeah, it's a steelhead. Definitely a steel. She's full of it.
Right?
Come on. Oh. That's a cool looking one.
Oh yeah.
It's actually got some sick colors, dude. That's dope.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, hold it up once. That's dope, dude. First drift. Yeah, that's got some sick colors. I'm gonna get one more pan. Sick. Oh yeah, dude. Ouch! Got one. There's one. I don't care. That's a fish, though. Ah, it's a skipper. Well, it's cool.
Dinner.
No. That was far. Hook a giant one way down there. That's ridiculous. That was like a good 100 yards down. I don't even think Aaron Rodgers could throw a football that far. Oh man, dude. My drag's tight too. He's gravy training it. Oh, it's a big one, dude. It's long.
Big old mama. Beautiful.
Oh, dude, yeah. Woo. Heck yeah, dude. It's a giant mama. Hooked her 150 yards down. Oh, dude. That's so sick. It's a long fish, yeah. Hook that giant, so it's super long fish. Giant mama. So far down on that drift. I'm gonna let her go. Dude, that's a huge steal. Look how long she is, dude.
Heck yeah.
So sick. Oh my god. That was so dope.
Heck yeah.